Fáilteoireacht Let's Learn Irish. Is Misha Arj agus topic na seachtain inniu, Spórt agus Cluichí. Agus seo na fócail. Badminton, Badmantan, baseball, Daorchluiche, basketball, Cispheil, boxing, Dornálaíocht, championship, Craobhchomórtas, climbing, Dreapadóireacht, dancing, Damhsa, diving, Tumadóireacht, exercise, Aclaíocht, football, Peil Gaelic football, Peil Ghaelach, golf, Galf, gymnastics, Gleacaíocht, horse riding, Marcaíocht chapall, Hurling, Iomanaíocht, ice hockey, Haca oighir, jogging, Bogshodar, minor league, Sraith, mixed martial arts, Ealaíona Measctha, Mountaineering, Sraith, the Olympic Games, na Cluichí Olympiatha, racing, Marcaíocht, rowing, Craobhchomórtas, rugby, running, sailing, Shoulteracht, soccer, softball, Bogshodar, swimming, snow, tennis, ladog, yoga. I have a competition every month. Bíonn Comhraic agam gach mí. I do training once a week. Janam trainal luar once a teachtain. I really like playing basketball. Is brala me bheith gimmert Cispheil. I don't care about sport. Is cummalam faoin sport. I don't have the least interest in sport. Níl simda laithid agam is sport. Bígí parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.